Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are gonna learn about date function. We have already finished string function and aggregate function. If you haven't watched, you can click on I button and you can watch the videos about string function and aggregate function. So today we are gonna learn very important function, Getdate, DateAdd and DateDiff. Okay, so I will start with Getdate. Okay, so Getdate is a function which returns a today's date, like with time. Okay, if I run this now, you can see that today's is 7/6/2020, and now I am recording this video at 9:56. Okay, so that's why we use Getdate. Getdate returns today's date, date with hours or date with time. Okay, next function we have is DateAdd. Okay, and DateAdd is a function which returns, like, suppose you have something date, if I say today's date only, and let's see the syntax on Microsoft side. So this is DateAdd function, and this works on all the SQL Server version. Okay, and you have the syntax here, which is DateAdd, date part, number, and the date. Okay, so date part is like year, month, day, week, like this, which is defined here. You can go to Microsoft site and you can see that. Okay, and then you have the number, how many days or how many years or whatever the interval you will give, that number, that many number it will add into the date, and this is the date you are giving. Okay, I will start with day, if you are giving day. Okay, and now the number, I want to add two more numbers, and now you can give the date. Okay, so date format is same, which is which we are getting like in Getdate. Okay, and then you can give. So see, today's is 7th, and I am adding two more days, which is coming as a 9. If you do that in minus, so it will subtract your date. Okay, so like this, today's is 7, and I am like subtracting minus 2 days. I am giving as a argument in DateAdd function, so it is going 2 days back. Okay, same with the month also. Okay, see, today's is like this is 7th month, so I am going for the 8th month. Okay, so that's how it works. Sorry, today's is the 6th month, and I am adding two more months, so it is going on 8. Same with the year. Okay, this is 2020, and I am going to 2022. Okay, now next function we have DateDiff. From the name only you can understand what is DateDiff. I will go and demonstrate that too. So this is a DateDiff, okay, which is available on all the SQL Server. Okay, and here is the syntax. So same as the date part, start date and end date. Okay, and the same date parts could be in year, quarter, month, and day, week, hours, minute, second, millisecond, and all. You can see that other examples also here written, all the examples. Okay, now I will demonstrate how does it work. So I want number of days from 0101 till today. Okay, so what is my day? Today is like 0607. Okay, so how many days are, like 158 days are happened from 1st of January to 7th of June. Okay, and if you go for the month, see 5 months happened. Guys, one more thing I want to clear, the number of months is not depending on the days. If you change the day here like 20 or something, it will not calculate that. It will calculate like number of exact month, how many months are completed, okay, or how many number of months are dependent. If you go for the year, let's check what exactly is displayed. So it is like 0 years. If I change into 21, then I will get 1. Okay, so that's how the DateDiff work. So let's summarize this. So first we have Getdate, which is a function which will return you today's date. Okay, there are other functions also, but I will start with Getdate. Okay, next you have DateAdd. So DateAdd is a function where you can give the interval and you can get number of days, year, or whatever interval you will give, that many interval you can get in your result. Okay, next function we have DateDiff. So DateDiff works like how it will subtract the date between from start date and finish date. So suppose you are subtracting from 1st of January to 6th of June, so and with the month, so it will return like 5 because 5 months have happened, and if you go for the day, it is like 158 days are returning, which is the days from January to today. Okay, so this is like like this. Okay, so 158 days, 8 days are returning. I am getting like that. Okay, so that's how DateAdd and DateDiff and Getdate works. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.